We recently tried YouTube Shorts on one of our clients' YouTube channels, and here's how it's going. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so this is one of our clients' YouTube channels right now. We manage her channel, and we just started working with her less than 2 months ago, and we started implementing Shorts. Now the cool thing is, we're not specifically creating shorts from scratch. We're actually creating shorts from already long form, previously recorded videos. So we are repurposing the long form content and giving it new life. So let's head over to the Shorts tab here. So like I said, it's been less than 2 months, and here are the results. Some shorts do really well and some completely flop, and that's totally fine. Also, what I noticed with shorts is you definitely get more dislikes because they are pushed out to the broader general audience, and they're not typically search based. They can be, but usually people are finding these in the Shorts tab, and it's just like, it's kind of like TikTok where it's just like one after the other. So you're more prone to dislikes, which is also fine as well. But you can see here, we started releasing, and some do well. Like this one right here did really well. That was on a trending topic with the Barbie movie. So that one did really well, 57 likes, 3 dislikes. You can see some other ones here. It really depends what our client is saying. Sometimes she's saying, strong topics, strong sentences, and so you either agree or you strongly disagree. So you can see it's like we're hitting all ranges. Some completely flop like this. I know some people might, delete that and re-upload it. We just move on to the next one. We have such an abundance of shorts that we just, keep posting them. You can see here these ones are kind of like okay, and then another one here popped off, how to focus on what truly matters. So far, like, I'm liking the results of the shorts on Jen's channel, and right now we're kind of just using shorts as brand awareness because we're actually restarting Jen's channel. So you can see here that I am scheduling the shorts in advance. Once we have one of her videos edited, I use a software called Opus Clip, and I highly recommend using Opus Clip. You still need to go in there and orchestrate the sentence to actually make it be a good short, but it does save you a lot of time than having to do it manually. So highly recommend Opus Clip. But you can see here, as soon as we edit the video, we get the shorts and then we schedule them in, and we try and go as far out as possible. We always like to get ahead. Let's head over to the analytics. So you can see here, I'm in the channel analytics under content, and the stats are kind of all over the place, right? So the views are up, the shonen feed is about the same, the likes are down, and we've got 3 subscribers. Now, you might think, oh, well, 3 subscribers, that's not very much. Yes, it's only 3, but Jen's channel, she is a brand strategist, and even if one of those people becomes a loyal fan and buys one of her coaching or mentoring packages, that could be a substantial sale. So I don't look at it as, oh, only 3. I look at it as, whoa, there's 3 people that chose to subscribe. What if they buy, a 10K package, a 20K package? You honestly never know, and it's happened so many times with our YouTube channel, where a video gets less than 100 views, but one person goes down to the description, they click a call with us, we have one meeting with them, and they buy one of our $10,000 packages, and it's happened over and over again. To me, I'm more interested in the quality of the viewer and the subscriber. And honestly, subscribers don't equal the money. It's the quality of the viewer. It's, are you implementing business strategies into your YouTube channel? Do you have a product and service to sell? Because you could be getting all these crazy views, but you literally have nothing to sell, and you're only relying on Google ad revenue, then you're leaving like a lot of money on the table. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with the initial results. And like I said, we're repurposing content, so we're not actually creating these shorts from scratch. We are taking long form content using Opus Clip, which is an AI software which I highly recommend, creating shorts from that, and scheduling these out and using it as supplemental content and brand awareness for her channel. At the end of the day, we still value the long form horizontal content. That content is really valuable because from the short, we hope that they come to the channel, see a long form content, and get emotionally connected to Jen and her channel and her brand. The long form content is what really sells the big ticket items. So that's my experience with shorts on a new client channel. We're gonna keep going with it. I'm excited to see which shorts could potentially take off. If you're interested in how we run and manage our YouTube channels, head down to the description below as we have a free training for you. It's all about implementing business strategies into your YouTube channel so that you can get clients, make sales, and make more than just the Google ad revenue. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.